strange rock formations. While the science of modern geology can explain many fascinating rock formations and how they formed, sometimes despite everything we know, our scientists occasionally encounter geologic formations that even with our best efforts can't be easily explained. The single formation that I believe best exemplifies this point can be found in the cold Siberian interior of Russia. There, far away from civilization, 23 kilometers west-northwest of the village of Molvo, you can find a strange rocky crater in the densely forested landscape. Known as Patomskiy Crater, Patomskiy Crater consists of a raised cone which measures 170 meters or 558 feet long, 130 meters or 427 feet wide, and rises 39 meters or 128 feet above the surrounding landscape. Patomskiy Crater has a defined outer and inner rim, the latter of which occurs alongside a tall dome structure within its 79-meter or 259-foot wide crater. But wait, I hear the geologists in my audience shout, this is clearly just an isolated cinder cone. While I must admit that Patomskiy Crater is similar in size cinder cone to some smaller-end cinder cones, there is one major problem with this theory. Cinder cones, for reference, are composed out of both ash and small ejected vesicular lava fragments turned cinders and ash, often containing multiple million cubic meters of these igneous rock units. Patomskiy Crater, on the other hand, is not composed of any lava rocks or ash, or even igneous rocks of any kind. Instead, it is composed of 300,000 cubic meters of a 600-million-year-old sedimentary rock, limestone, and gas emissions type known as limestone. And this exists alongside occasional fragments of sandstone and schists, which likely originated more than 500 meters below ground. So clearly something must have happened to cause such a deep rock unit, even in minor amounts, to end up on the surface. While Patomskiy Crater has been frequently reported to have been discovered in 1949, the truth is that indigenous peoples to the region knew of it long beforehand. They discuss the area as full of evil spirits which should be avoided at all costs, which leads me to believe that after the crater formed it somehow caused some form of harm when a person traversed the area to investigate, perhaps due to lingering gas emissions. While some models suggest that Patomskiy Crater formed in two events around 1450 and between 1841 and 1842, others suggest it formed in a single event around the year 1700. What are the existing hypotheses on how Patomskiy Crater formed? The first hypothesis, which meteorite impact scientists came up and which we can immediate discount, suggests that a very dense iron meteorite struck the area and got buried 100